Testing a new example of a tower bridge in LiDAR scan that was in Geoslam. See the point cloud here, 3D model project. I zoom in here just to show you. I've got two applications going at the same time. I took this scan LiDAR, and in here you can do measurements if you want to. You can set up the speed, navigation, so you can go, for example, ortho views, just different projections of the tower bridge, and it includes some of the city on both sides, so it give you an idea of LiDAR. So you can actually go in here and measure options if you could, and you can change the radius of the dome lighting and the field of view of what you're looking at. And if you're limited in technology and point budget of the cloud, you can reduce that, so you can navigate quicker if you go around, and it'll display quicker. Anyway, it's pretty neat. It's kind of like an advanced Google Street Map in 3D of the site. And you can change your backgrounds too to white, none, gradient. I like the gradient side when you're doing that. So that's SLAM. So one of the things I was able to do with this, if you go to this project, and there's a LAS format, which I'm very familiar, but the E57 format, which is an ANSI standard. Anyways, I'll just bring it up to show you what I mean by that. ASTM standard, rather. So the ASTM E57 is a vector neutral format for storing point clouds images produced from 3D scanners, laders. Anyways, so I exported that. It was like over a gig and brought it into Cloud Compare. And you'll see this cloud of the same. Maybe I'll close this one here because I've got two 3D browsers. It'll probably be easier in the process. But you can see the cloud data, all the points in this data. And if I go into a certain shader here mode, you can see the clouds better. There you go. And I can have a better display of that. Anyways, I can convert that to a mesh, easily bring it into 3D Studio Max or as a tri mesh, and work with that and measure. And anyways, pretty neat. E57 format of a tower bridge structure into a Cloud Compare software.